This weekend, Janet and I are off to a Lie-Nielsen hand tool event in Denver. This will be at Austin Hardwoods on Mississippi in Denver. It's going to be November 1st and 2nd, Friday and Saturday. And because we drive a small economy car, there's always a little bit of an adventure just getting everything packed to make sure you can get all the stuff that you're taking to the show, both to sell and your bag for a night in the hotel. And of course, we could take the pickup truck, but it takes 4 times as much gas to drive the pickup. It's cold, it's cranky. I don't really want to unbury it in snow. Plus, the small car is so much more maneuverable in city streets and easier to park both at the show and at the hotel parking lot, which is underground. Well, now we're off to Denver. If you're in the area, hopefully we'll see you there. We're here at Austin Hardwoods and we are all set up for this weekend's Lie-Nielsen hand tool event. I think I'm going to call it a video for today so I can get this uploaded before the event starts tomorrow. So if you're watching this first thing Friday morning and you're in Denver, there's still time to come by Friday afternoon or sometime on Saturday. I think this runs till 3 o'clock Saturday afternoon. Hopefully we'll see you here at the show, but if not, we'll see you for the next video. Have a good day.